25 Google Sheets keyboard shortcuts that you need to know. If you want to work twice as fast in Google Sheets and instead of clicking through menus, you can use keyboard shortcuts to finish tasks in seconds. Today I'll show you 25 of the most useful Google Sheets shortcuts that I use all of the time. Let's jump in. You can use your arrow keys to move around on your spreadsheet. You could jump to the edge of your data by holding Ctrl and press an arrow key. That brought me up. If I want to go to the most right side, I can go ahead and hit Ctrl and the right arrow, and that will bring me to the right side. I can hit Ctrl and the down, that'll bring me to the bottom of my spreadsheet. If I want to select an entire row, I want to hit Shift and then space. You click once just to hover where you have data. You click twice if you want to hover the whole row. If you want to select an entire column, you want to hit Ctrl plus space. If you do it once, it'll select everything that you have data on. If you do it twice, it will select the whole column. If you type something and you want to undo it, hit Ctrl Z. If you want to redo it, hit Ctrl Y. If you want to copy, Ctrl C. If you want to paste it, Ctrl V. If you want to cut it, hit Ctrl X. If you want to copy something that has a formula, but you want to paste the values only, we're going to go ahead and Ctrl C to copy that. And then you want to hit Ctrl Shift V, and it'll just give you the regular number without the formula. If you want to bold text, hit Ctrl B. If you want to italicize it, hit Ctrl I. If you want to underline it, hit Ctrl U. If you want to do a strike through your text, hit Alt Shift 5. If there's something you want to find on your spreadsheet, hit Ctrl F. And on the right hand side, you can find something. If you want to find and replace, you can hit Ctrl H. And I want to find Chris, and I want to replace with Christine. I can hit replace all, and now Chris is Christine. If I want to insert today's date, I'm going to hit Control and the semicolon button, and that will bring in today's date. If I want to insert time, then I'm going to hit Control Shift semicolon. If I want to edit the current cell that I'm currently on, I just want to hit F2, and that will open up the box. If I want to select everything, I'm going to hit Control A. That will select the whole file. If I want to see the entire shortcut list, then I'm going to hit Control and /, and I can see all of the keyboard shortcuts. This is where Google Sheets will actually display nearly every available keyboard shortcut. If this video does help you out and you think you're going to be more productive in Google Sheets with this, please drop a like, consider subscribing if you're new. Have a good one.